Hi, I'm Pauline, and this is tin box number 15. I'm going to kind of do a little quick showing of what it is that I picked. Number 1, Flower Thai Hill Tribe. This one here. So I've got these sterling silver Hill Tribe flower beads. And they're so cute. It's like they're like little buds that are just enclosed, and they've got the string in the center, but when you open the buds, you can put like a little bead in there. And it can be a little dangle or a little charmy. I mean, this is so cute.
I'm going to move you back 1 inch. Pauline, guess where I got those Thai silver beads?
From Thai?
No, from Korea.
Oh, gosh.
I was in Korea and I met a lady who was a collector, and I've never seen this bead before. I've never, ever, ever, ever. And I've seen a lot of Thai silver. So I told Jason, we got to get it.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like this, too.
Me too. So I'm going to hold it up.
Okay. That's right. Your camera's up above, right?
Okay.
It's so strange.
And the next thing is the hearts.
The hearts. These tiny, tiny, tiny. Oops, where am I? Here we go. These little charmies. Can you see the tiny little heart? It's like the loop is bigger. The hole is bigger than the heart. It's so cute. Tiny. It's so tiny and cute. Okay, so there's that. Next one. Flower link. This is really interesting. I mean, you could make a necklace out of this. I mean, they've got these, 2 loops at the end, and they look like, see, there's like six little balls going around the center. In the center, there is 1 ball. And so you could actually like link together a bunch of these, or put,
anything, pearls, Tahitian. Oh my gosh.
So
I got those in Bali. We went to the place where they actually make it.
Oh my
and these
God.
are so cute. Yeah, I mean, they're hand soldered, and you can tell because not all the balls are like
the same size, right?
And the loops are not perfect, which I kind of like.
Yeah. I mean, you could do like a bracelet. You could make a necklace. You could do earrings. I mean, you could probably do a ring, huh?
Oh, or a bracelet topper.
Yeah.
Which is like a macrame on either side, very Pauline-y.
Oh, gosh. Okay, next one.
Amethyst.
Amethyst. Ugh. Briolettes. Now, this is like so sparkly. And
I really like those.
You can see the facets. Look how shiny it is.
Like, what would you make with that? Shelby goes, sell it by the piece, auntie. Because she goes, I could imagine a bracelet with 1 drop hanging on it, like a dainty chain.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, because I was going to pair it.
You could. I mean, I would probably make earrings, but then I'm in the earring mode right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, bracelet, or, just, I mean, if you want to like deconstruct, I mean, just 1 on a chain. I think that would be really pretty.
That would be so cute.
And if you want a little bit more, just on a small little, like a gold loop or a silver loop.
You know what? It's like almost colorless purple. Like it's a colorless violet.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
It will match anything. Then for your last choice, what I did was I looked through it, and there's 2.5 millimeter graduated to 3 millimeter. So I can do, if we sell it by the inch, I can do 4 portions that are 2.5, and I can do 10 portions that are 3 millimeters.
Wow.
And it'll be 1 inch, and there's a lot of pieces in 1 inch.
Yeah. I mean, you can, let's see if I can show the tiny portions are here, and they get a little bit larger.
So that color is called paparaja, but the English translation of that is lotus. But then that's not really a color, so then we called it orange. But I don't think it's orange either. Like, what color? It's like a dark peach, maybe?
I don't know. Oh, I guess, yeah, it does kind of look peachy when I mean, there's a pinky, but there's like a pinky orangey kind of a thing to it.
I'm trying to think, where in nature do we see that color? It's so pretty.
Very, very nice. Anyway, I love this. This is like so pretty. So these are my picks for my tin box number 15.
Pauline's picks. I let you pick first, okay?
Okay. Oh, I love these. These are so nice.
Thank you, Pauline.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste.